So this is from Prime Ventures, I'm partner of the company. So we are providing you the mold, the premium silicon PVC mold. So if you have any plans that to start the paver production company in Africa or else in anywhere in the Middle East, we can help you to sell the molds as well as the machines, chemicals, oxides, and entire accessories that you can start the plant. So we are right now into the production of the molds, which is around 6,000 pieces, and we will be sending by a container to Middle East. So if you have any requirement, I will give you the contact and you can contact us and we will provide you the entire details. Even for us setting up of your company, we will help you to support that. Thank you.